Hello and welcome to Computer Byte. In today's video I'm going to show you how to edit a polyline, and then we will convert that polyline into spline, and then we will insert a block, apply a block on that polyline. So for that I will first enter PL, the shortcut for polyline, to draw a polyline. Now if we want to edit this, if we want to convert this into a spline, we'll use pedit command. pedit enter. Now we will select the polyline. After that we will select the spline option in that list, or just press S enter. Now we will close it by pressing enter. So this polyline has been converted into a spline. Now if we want to insert or apply a block on this, we'll first need to insert something. I press DC enter for design center and insert this block into my drawing. Okay, now I'll scale this. SC enter, click, enter, then select and press 0.2, so it gets scaled down. Now I'll make a block out of it. B enter. In case I give it a name C, pick point and I pick the center of this, then select objects, select this drawing and enter, then press OK and simply delete it. Now I'll apply this on this polyline. We can do this by using two different commands. First is measure and the second one is divide. Let's do it on divide first. div is the shortcut for this command. div enter, select the polyline, then we'll simply insert B and then we'll press enter. Space doesn't work here, so we will press enter. Now enter the name of the block. We have entered it as C, so C enter. Now if we want to align the block, then we'll press simply enter or Y enter, but we don't want it, so I will type N and then enter. Now how many segments do we want? In case I want 12 of them, I enter 12 and enter. So you can see that this spline has been divided into 12 parts, and the block which I have made have been applied, have been inserted on it. Let's do it with measure command. Select polyline. Now press B enter, then enter the name of the block. C enter. We don't want it to align it, so N enter. Now simply give the segment length on which we want to insert that block. I am entering 30 feet here because this spline is a long one, and you can see that this block has been inserted here with 30 feet segment distance. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please leave a comment and like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more videos about AutoCAD and Office. Thank you.